Hello, welcome to my review of the Spark Models Morgan Aeromax from 2005, and we're going to take it out of its case in a moment. This is a second-hand model to me, but as usual you've got this silver Spark case and a silver backing. Right, let me open this up and resume the video in a moment. Right, here we go. Of course I've still got it attached to the base plate. We'll take it off in a minute to look at the underside, but first let's have a look at the outside of the car. Now if you saw my last review, which was a Morgan Aero 8 Coupe, Aero Supersports perhaps, you'll realise that these lights tend to fall off on these Spark models, so you've got a potential number that can come out. I believe those are pieces in there. You've got these ones on the front there. They're still intact on this model, they're still in place. I'm going to check the back. I've seen these for sale where these strip lights, vertical strip lights, have come out, but these are still here. And then you've got the fog light on that side and the reversing light on that side. Now this is the first time I've had it out of the packet, and let me see, yeah, it feels like there's a lens in there, and I can see there's red there, so I know there's a lens there. So this was a 100 off model from Morgan. The actual car itself was only 100 units, and the difference is that you don't have the Targa that the Aero Supersports had, and you on this one you have this split rear screen, which is something spectacular really. So right, now obviously the model itself is beautifully produced, as is normal for Spark. The paint is fantastic. Let's just have a look at that. Okay, yeah, there we go. And you've got an interior there in a lovely brown leather. You've got your normal 3 windscreen wipers, which are normal on these Morgans, and again you've got the detail for the latches on the bonnet, the centre hinged bonnet. This car obviously doesn't open because it's a resin model. Now going around here, I would say that this front headlight is looking a bit frosted. Maybe it's come out before and the previous owner to me glued it back. I can't be sure, but it's not as clear as it should be. I don't think, not as clear as the other one. You can see what I mean. Anyway, coming around on there, now we can see in the interior a little bit better there, but we really don't have much chance. Very upright steering wheel there, but good amount of wood and leather in these cars with some stainless steel details, or either maybe nickel chrome, mild steel, who knows. Right, so we have some detail in the rear window there. I don't know what that is particularly. If you know, put it in the comments below. That will be a feature of the original car. And in the bottom you've got ribbed flooring or ridged flooring to keep your luggage in one place. Right, okay, I'm going to take this off the plinth now, and we'll have a look at the underside. Right, here it is off the mounting base or the plinth. Let's see what's underneath. I would say that's going to be entirely unrepresentative, maybe except for those bits under. You've got these running boards here that come from the front wings, or fenders as you might call them, just where you've got the side exit exhaust. Maybe that detail is correct. I don't know what it's for. Maybe it's the silencer for the exhaust. Yeah, most likely the silencer for the side exhausts. Okay, great. But in terms of the underside, there's nothing really to look at. You've got tread on the tyres, which is reasonable there, and lovely elegant wheels, very suitable for such a car. Okay, yeah, very happy with this. It took me a long time to track one of these down at a good price, but one came up a couple of weeks ago, which must have been early April 2020. I don't know whether it was a panic sale because of the pandemic we're suffering at the moment, but I definitely got it a lot cheaper than normal. You'd expect to pay 80 UK pounds for this, maybe 100 US dollars for this 1/43rd scale resin model. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Do have a look at my previous videos on the Aero Coupe, Aero Supersports, sorry. I've got two there, one about repairing the front headlight, and there is a playlist of all my model car reviews as well, so do subscribe and like this video. Thank you very much.